So welcome back everyone. As you can see, we're still on top of the lofts here. We're waiting for most old birds to arrive, and I think we have 2 young birds to arrive as well, and down there. But yeah, most old birds. Yeah, a little bit of a downwind race, so tailwind. So they should be home pretty quick. And then yeah, the one we're expecting to be home first is 833, which was home first last time. He's at Blue Bar Cockbird. Not that yearling, but the actual old bird from 2018. So yeah, stay tuned.
Come on, go. Come on, go. Come on, go.
That's the one we were expecting as well, 833 I think.
Come on, go.
Well,
Go. Yeah. Hey, go. Come on, go. Go.
die valt al.
Go.
Zo joh, staat erop. Hier nog een, aan achterop. Nee, dat is die dat vindt. Smet me. Die gaat middenste min. Hè. Ja, je jaagt ze weg. Gaat dat weg, hè? Ja. So we got 4 home now, as you can see by the number. First one was 833 again. Second one was his hen. That's his hen, the one with white tips. No, she's not sitting there anymore. She's sitting on the floor right there. And then that's a young bird, the red young bird. And this is 347, that red hen again. That's in here. Welke is dat? Oh. Als dat zou zien, hij wil niet hier binnen. That's 6:15, I think. Yeah, 6:15. Here one again. New. It's a young bird. Oh. It's a grey hen from upstairs. Actually 6:15's hen, I think, which just arrived. Huh? Yeah. 3:15. Look at that one. Come. Yeah, that's on the wrong board, my guy. That's that one that flew Federation first as a young bird. Mealy. Can't see anything. Yep. So we're still missing 2 birds. 1 young bird and I think 1 old bird as well. But yeah, most of them actually arrived pretty decent, I think. So yeah, you can see if it wants to focus. We got 8 birds. The first one is 6 minutes and 6 seconds, and the second, third, and fourth one are about a minute after that. And now we got minute or two gap, then a minute as well. And those are basically the same ones. So yeah, they basically all arrived within like 5 minutes, so that's pretty good. Oh, I thought I just saw one. Guess not. But yeah, we're still missing 2. Yeah, and I wanted to give you guys a little update. What's been going on this loft. Oh, here's one. Let's wait. I just saw her. Oh yeah, there she is. She's sitting on top of the loft now. But yeah, I'll turn on the light. Or not. Yeah, we're racing these guys on nest. As you can see, the youngsters are getting pretty big. They're all basically the same age. Right around. We have had trouble with these young birds dying. A lot of you guys said that the eggs would be contaminated with that one disease, which I think they might be. The young birds aren't as healthy as they should be, so yeah, I think that's why they're dying, because of the disease that one bird had. But yeah, and actually a little update as well. That's that hen that was really sick. Oh no, that's a cockbird. Where's that one hen? Yeah, that's a white tip one. She's paired up to the grizzle, but the grizzle hasn't returned from this week's midweek race, so that's 3 days now. Yeah, I don't know why. They did have some pretty mean rainstorms and thunderstorms in that race, but yeah, most of them actually got home, except from him. So yeah, it's kind of a shame. So we have the results here now. As you can see, we got a lot of marked stuff. So yeah, let's go over it. It's a 142 pigeon race. It's only old pigeons. Yeah, that's the reason why it's smaller, because in our federation the young birds and the old birds and yearlings are all together. That's why it's smaller, but for the rest it's quite comparable. So yeah, the first one is A33, the blue bar. It got 7th place out of 142 again, and then the rest follow up pretty quickly. That's actually his hen. Those are a couple. And then this is the red hen again. That's on the young bird loft. And then this is 615, the pencil or the check. This is the mealy. I believe it's the mealy. Or no, this is a hen actually. I think a blue bar hen or something like that. This is 340, also a blue bar hen, and then after that is the one mealy that's in the right corner of the loft in the back. But yeah, overall a really good result on this one. Again, this is not our federation, this is a neighboring federation, because the wind is a little bit better when we basket right there. That's why we did it. You can see a lot of people from our town are pretty early, and Berla as well, but yeah, overall yeah, wind is just better. But we will I'll make a video about how wind influences sprint races in the near future, so yeah, stay tuned for that. As always, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and have a good day.